Today I'm making a quick salad smash for lunch out of harder vegetables. So when we eat lettuce, it's got a lot of water, so the amount of fibre and nutrients in it are actually quite low. When we use hard vegetables, they're dense and colourful, and you can get lots of fibre and lots more nutrients. So this is to show you how you can make a salad using raw broccoli and red pepper. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. So I'm going to start by putting the partially chopped broccoli into a food processor with a red pepper. It's really simple. Then an apple. Next I'm going to add the dressing. I'm adding hemp oil here. A couple of walnuts. I use walnuts, not pine nuts, because they're so much cheaper. I get mine from Lidl. And then some apple cider vinegar. This is a really nice unfiltered one, so it's got a bit of probiotic bacteria in there. And then I add a teaspoon of mustard, salt and pepper. Literally chucked it in and it looks like this. Next, I'm going to pulse it. You can grate in your food processor if you want, or just chop up small if you don't have a food processor. It literally only takes about 5 seconds pulsing. When it comes out, it looks like this, like a coleslaw. Then pop a really good portion size on a plate. It's really easy to eat 250 grams of vegetables when you're using hard vegetables. And I'm just going to top mine off with some feta cheese, which I'm actually going to just crumble with my fingers because it's easier. And there you go, that's lunch in 2 minutes because I'm timing.